Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the benefits of adding salicylic acid in your skincare routine to treat active acne. Now, salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid, also known as BHA, which helps in combating active acne, enlarged pores, oily skin, and much more, which we will be discussing in the video. So let's get started. Like you can see, I am breaking out quite a bit right now because I'm going to start my periods. I'm going to start off by using the Derma Co 1% salicylic acid gel face wash, which penetrates deep into the skin, dissolves the skin debris that clogs pores, and eliminates acne-causing bacteria, which is essential to fight active acne. So massage gently in circular motion all over the face for about a minute and rinse off well. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that helps in fading away red inflamed pimples. Next up, I'm going to be using the Derma Co 2% salicylic acid face serum, which can be used day and night. It's a lightweight, transparent gel that gets absorbed into the skin very easily. Now to tell you briefly how salicylic acid works. Salicylic acid is an oil-soluble acid that goes deep into the pores to remove dead skin cells and excess sebum. It primarily targets enlarged pores and acne. I'm going to be using the dropper and dispensing this everywhere equally on my skin. Also making sure that I don't touch the dropper to my skin as well. You can either apply it using your fingertips directly on the active acne and marks too. Massage gently in circular motion. My skin is very erratic nowadays. Some days it's good, some days it's like this, especially when I am about to get my periods. So having an ingredient like salicylic acid is essential, which works to actively clear acne and acne marks by exfoliating the skin and helps to prevent and remove whiteheads and blackheads. Consistent usage of salicylic acid will give you great results, and another good thing is that it has mild exfoliating property which clears the pores, making the skin healthy and clear. Now, every time you use an active ingredient in your skincare routine, especially in the day, it is very important to follow it up with a sunscreen. So I'm going to be using the Derma Co 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel. I dot it all over my face and neck and spread it evenly. It's non-sticky and does not feel heavy on my skin. It also has SPF 50 hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which protects from sun damage while also reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and making your skin soft and supple. It also protects against blue light, is non-greasy, and fragrance-free. So guys, that's about it for the video. If you have any questions about salicylic acid, about the products that I use in the video, please leave that in the comment section below. Also, read the description box. I'll have a few details there as well. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get an update every time I put out a new video. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!